Alright, welcome back to the next video on the series of our tutorial for Angular. We have implemented in the header. The next we want to come up with routing code. We want to talk, simple routing, Angular routing. Actually, we need to take a session on this Angular routing, but for now we just want to implement simple routing. I want situation whereby when I click on any of the tab here, when I click on promotions, it will route to promotion. When I click on recruitment, it should route to recruitment. I don't have recruitment as a component, I think. Let's quickly do that. Let me close everything here. Then in my component there is nothing like recruitment, I think. Let's take, this is component. If you want to create a component, you click on component, right click on it, and you open it where? In integrated terminal. Yes. Yeah, we just Cassette. Go. Then you type in ng generate C component. G stands for generate, C stands for component. Recruitment, right? Recruitment. Is it?
Yes.
Yes, recruitment. Then you press enter. It will create a component for you, and this component will contain 4 files. Recruitment. It will contain 4 files: the CSS, the HTML, the TS, and the .spec.ts. Yes. So I want to make use of this .html. Okay. It says recruitment works, right? So let me add something. Okay. Let me come to, because my
Master.
No, it's not in master, in header. In header, that's where the routing should occur. Then go to header, pick the .html. This is it, right? Yes. So the first thing you do, we want to make use of router link. So you remove this href and introduce router link, and then it should be slash what? Recruitment, as it was being spelled out there, as it is being written, recruitment. Then still in header, you come to the header.ts, because we have used router. Okay, this I used it when I was practicing. Since we are going to use router link, we need to import router link as a component here. Okay, router link, otherwise it will not. Router link. Then when you import it, and then it imports it here, get imported at the top here. This is the component. Then come to recruitment header here. I want to just type maybe h1 and route it to the recruitment page, for example. Then let's check from our save everything and click on Okay, I've not defined then you come to the route, that is the actual routing, the page that does the routing, which is app.route. Then you define the routing here. This is for enrollment. Let's just leave it, since you have enrollment there, right? Then we want to define for what? For recruitment. And you now see path. And as it is recruitment, recruit, yes, recruitment. I think without S. Does the component has S? No, no S. Okay, comma, it's a JSON something, comma, then component. And the component is what? Name of the component is recruitment. With capital R is the component name. Recruitment, yes. So this routes to where? It routes to recruitment. Expected okay, expected of comma. Yes. Since it is JSON, you separate it by yes. So when I click on where is okay, this it has no link, right? Okay, is it recruitment? Okay, let me see. Header. Come. Are you sure? Okay, yes, router link. Yes. It is the component that has capital. You know, all components start with capital letters. So it says now I'm routed to where?
Recruitment page.
To recruitment page. This is what we wanted. So in the recruitment page, then now I want us to introduce something. So by next week we can start working on the Spring Boot. Now routing is done now. For you to do routing, you need to work on 3 different pages. The router, you define how the routing should look like here in the router app.routes. Then in the header or anywhere the routing should occur, you introduce router link instead of href, and then you route to the page we want to route. Then you now move to the component of the HTML, I mean the TS of the header, and then you import the router link, and that's all.
So is this all you do for each and every?
Yes, now that's how we do routing for all. It takes time, right? Huh? Yes. Let me stop this video, then we start another one.